So we're going to make a quiz, and I'm in my big campus, and I'm going to go to the Create button up here at the top, and we see that I can make some schoolwork, and I'm going to create a new schoolwork. I could also create a simple assignment. I'm going to do schoolwork, which will be, in this case, we want to make a quiz. I'm going to call this quiz 1. And I could make this a survey, and I could make it non-graded, but I'm going to make it graded. I click the plus button. I don't have any questions yet. I've got a choice here: multiple choice, multiple select, true, false, fill in the blank. Those all get graded by the computer. Remember, fill in the blank has to be the exact thing you put in. I can make an essay, or I can have the students upload something, or they can write an essay and upload something, or I can go to my question bank and get a question from past quizzes. And I can make groups, and we can talk about groups at another time. But just a simple, quick quiz. I'm going to click true, false. And my question is the sky blue? Question mark. And I'm going to say that's true. I got my choice of how many points I want to use. I could attach a picture here of a sky, but I'm going to save. And so now we have a question. If I want a second question, and I'm going to put a multiple choice, I guess. Here I need a question. What is the name of? And so I used a little magic here to finish my questions up, but I typed in Dr. Doolittle, Mr. Dillon, Dr. DeMuth, and Dr. Spock. And of course we know that Dr. DeMuth is the correct answer. I wanted to show you that you can add more answers if you need more than 4. You can take away by using an X. You can have 3 or 2. And you could, on any of these questions or answers, hit that little arrow and expand and change your style. So if I want this superintendent to be bold and maybe a little bigger in print, I could do that. And I could even change the color of the question, which is nice if I need to do that. So there's a lot of things you can do, including put symbols for math and things like that into this question. So if I'm done, again, I save, and now I have my quiz made. My next part of this then is to click continue, which takes me to the next section, which is I can assign, say when it's due. It tells me right now that it has no assignees, so I can go to a group, assign it to a group, or I can assign it to a single user in a group. So I got different people I can assign this to, and then I put in my time of exactly when I want this test to begin and when I want it to end. So I have lots of times I can use here, and then I assign it, and now this quiz is ready for people to take. And we'll come back to this in a second about editing.